Oh, you're approaching me? This bitch is not afraid at all. What the fuck? Hello? They're like fucking dogs. Oh my god, there's 4 of them. There's 4 of them. Dude. I am treading so carefully right now. I do have to get past you, buddy. I'm chilling, I'm chilling, I'm chilling. You gonna fight me? You trying to fight me? Is that what? Is that? You keep coming closer. You trying to fight me? You wanna fight me, bitch? Yes? No one's scared of me around here. No one gives a shit. What the fuck? Like, seriously. Yeah, another day, another bunch of creatures hanging out right in front of my face. Like they don't even care that I'm here. Like they can't even hear me talking to them. I know you're listening to me. Hey man, I'm tired too. What, you wanna hang out?